Welcome to my channel. EXO's D.O. is rumored to be leaving SM Entertainment. According to industry insiders on October 18, D.O. is reportedly continuing his activities at a new agency founded by a management director who's been with him since his debut. D.O. and this management director are well-known acquaintances among EXO fans, and the idol actor has personally mentioned the manager in his award acceptance speeches and interviews on multiple occasions. D.O. is also said to consult this manager the most when it comes to his career. He's expected to continue to promote as a member of EXO at the new company. The news about D.O. follows reports of EXO members Sehyun and Channel pursuing solo careers with a new label. SM Entertainment has responded to reports of EXO's D.O. leaving the label with his manager hit headlines. SM Entertainment has officially commented on the reports. On October 18, an official from the label confirmed, "Our exclusive contract with Do Kyung-soo ends in early November. After discussions with Do Kyung-soo, we decided that his promotions with EXO will be done with SM Entertainment, and his acting and solo activities will be developed with a new company established independently by one of our former managers." It was previously reported D.O. would be leaving SM Entertainment with a management director who he's worked with him since his debut, and it looks like the reports were in fact true. What do you think? Write in the comment section. See you in the next video.